Hi, I'm Hayden the Art Dude, and today we're making sketchbooks.
Come with me. Say what? Hayden's Art Party. Come on. Hayden's Art Party. Drinking juice, having blues. Get it? Come with me. Say what? Hayden's Art Party. Come on. Hayden's Art Party. Let's create.
Welcome. For today's project, we're just gonna need a few things. Construction paper, printer paper, about 5 sheets, colored pencils and markers, either or, some pipe cleaners, a hole punch, scissors, and a glue stick. Get all those things in order and you got yourself a sketchbook.
First thing we're gonna do is grab your construction paper. We're gonna grab the colored sheet and we're gonna fold it in half, hot dog style. Just like this. Smooth out that crease and you got it. Muy bueno. Next thing we're gonna do is grab a different color, whatever color you want, and we're gonna do the same thing. Hot dog style, and we're folding it, and what this is gonna be is our binding to keep everything together. Grab your printer paper, fold it in half just like the other construction paper, and this is gonna be our sheets of paper for our sketchbook. I grabbed 5 sheets. Now I have 10 pieces of paper. Look how nice and snug that fits. Say what? Now I'm gonna grab my other sheet of construction paper. This is gonna be the binding of our sketchbook. I'm gonna grab my scissors and I'm just gonna cut a diagonal line to kind of make a really cool binding. You could do whatever you want. You could cut a heart, anything. I'm gonna cut to the right a little bit, give it some swag. There we go. We got ourselves a really nice binding. Now you'll see as I take my purple construction sheet and I put it inside the pink edge, it fits perfectly. Say what? Now I'm gonna get dabbing with some glue. So we're gonna take our glue and we're gonna go all the way around the edge, kind of like a frame. Just slowly make your way around. I kind of sped this up a little bit so you didn't have to watch me glue. Then watch as I put that purple sheet right on that corner, just like that. Fold that piece over and smooth it out. This should make both sides of the sketchbook stay attached with the glue. Now check that out. Swag. We got a nice looking sketchbook there. Now we're gonna take some of our excess paper and we're gonna utilize it. I'm gonna use this to create a title for my sketchbook. I'm making this sketchbook for Jill. Jill seems like a nice lady, right? So I'm gonna write her name, Jill's book, exclamation point. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut whatever shape I want around that title. I'm gonna just do like a rectangle because I think that just looks nice and clean, but you could do a heart, a flower, whatever you want to make your title look as cool as you want. Check it. What? But we're gonna do one more thing. Now I'm going to take another sheet of paper. I like yellow. I think purple, yellow, and pink make a really nice color combo. So I'm going to glue Jill's book up in the top corner. Dab, dab, dab. So I have a little bit of an edge around it. Just like that. Smooth it out. Good. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out that rectangle all the way around, giving a nice border. Check it. Say what? And we got ourselves a beautiful title for our sketchbook. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how you could also just add some extra cool things. I'm gonna make a butterfly on the extra scrap piece of paper. Just like this, give it a wing. Nice. Give it some antennas. Think I should give it a smiley face? Yeah, I'm gonna give it a smiley face. Give it a little bit of swag on the corners. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut around this butterfly so it has a really cool border, and we're going to be able to attach this to our sketchbook and make it stand out. Just like this. Kind of sped it up to make it so you didn't have to watch me cut. Good. And you know what? I'm going to get those edges in there too to make it so those antennas stand out. Just snip, 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 snip. Just like that. Good. Now we're ready to attach. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my glue, dab, 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 dabbity, 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 dab. Just like that. Find a good placement, I want it right in the center. Smooth that out. Good. Do the same thing with the butterfly. Let that butterfly fly away onto my sketchbook. Hey. Good. Now, you can take your markers, colored pencils, and you can deck your sketchbook out. I'm going to throw some awesome hearts on Jill's sketchbook because I heard she likes hearts. Okay, throw a little bit of hearts in the corner. So you can really do whatever you want. You could add stickers, all sorts of other things to make this your own. Swag. Now, I gotta put this thing together. So I'm gonna grab my printer paper and I'm gonna slide it right inside that sketchbook. Just like that. Give it a couple taps, make sure the paper's all in there. And now, 10-page sketchbook, just like that. Next, we're gonna have to grab our hole punch. And we're gonna have to get 2 holes in the side of this book. I'm gonna get one right here. And then, okay. And if you need a parent's help to get through those pages, you might need to ask for some extra help. Good, just like that. We got 2 holes all the way through the sketchbook. Now we're ready to make sure this stays together. So now we're gonna grab our pipe cleaners. I like the purple one. I think it goes with my book. Okay, then I'm going to take it and I'm going to string it through. I chose the back side. It doesn't really matter what side. And we're going to twist it around to make sure it stays secure. Now you could cut this and do 2 separate ones, but I like it when I connect it all the way. So I'm going to put it through the back one more time. Out the front. There we go. Pull. And then I got to loop it through and then twist it around that other piece so it stays together. Just like this, just whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, there we go, we got a nice sketchbook. I don't like that extra end though, so I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut them off. Swing! There we go. And there's our sketchbook. We got ourselves a really cool sketchbook and we're ready to go. Here's a couple other examples of different types of bindings you can do, and you can really make your sketchbook your own.
Hey, thank you so much for watching Hayden's Art Party today. We made some awesome sketchbooks, and I hope you just keep on creating more and more sketchbooks as you fill them up. I'm going to give you plenty more things that you can do in your sketchbooks. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Or you can follow Hayden the Art Dude on Facebook, Instagram, and Musical.ly. And make sure to tag me for a chance to have your art featured in one of our upcoming videos, or add the hashtag Hayden's Art Party. Thank you, and see you soon. Swag. Dab, dab, dab.
Come with me. Say what? Hayden's Art Party. Come on. Hayden's Art Party. Drinking juice, dabbing blues. Get it.